Hello, Daddy. Gusto ko lang sabihin na Happy Father's Day at mahal na mahal kita, Daddy. At lagi ko ito tandaan. I am thankful na ikaw ang tatay ko na ibinigay ni Lord para sa akin. And I am full of gratitude and love sa lahat ng sacrifices mo na ginawa para sa akin. And I love you, Daddy. Lagi akong mag-iingat dyan. And you are the most supportive father any child could ask for. Lagi mo ko ito tandaan. I love you, Daddy. Stay positive. I love you.
Kumusta naman kayo ni Mama? Thank you po sa lahat. Thank you din po sa pag-iintindi niyo kay Mama yan sa lugar. Thank you din po sa pagdala niyo sa amin dito ni Ate sa Pinas. Praying ko din po, kasama ko din po kayo dyan sa Dubai. Happy Father's Day and God bless!
Happy Father's Day, Tata! Thank you for everything. I love you. God bless po. Hello, Daddy. I love you. And Happy Father's Day. Father Day, Papa, promise ko na ikaw, promise ko ikaw, I love you. Happy Father's Day, Papa. Pag-ilang ko po na dito ka na lang po kasama namin, pero alam mo po, yung nag-work ka po para sa amin. Happy Father's Day, Papa, I love you. I love you, Daddy. I sweet Daddy. Make me happy. You're my person. Always love you. Perfect. You happy, happy Father's Day, Daddy. Birthday, I love you so much. And to Mommy, nagrabi kayo. So, hi. Happy Father's Day, Daddy. I just want to greet you at Father's Day. Love you. Thank you for the toy. Thank you for the food. Thank you for everything. Bye-bye. Love you. But there's more. I look like you. I love you. Bye-bye. Happy Father's Day, Tatay. I love you.
Happy Father's Day! Dad, thank you for being someone that we can always rely on, and thank you for all your love and care for us.
Today, Dad, we're gonna give you a pass. You can make all of the jokes that you like to make. Okay? Only today. We love you, Dad. Happy Father's Day.
Wow!
So weird. Assured and confident. Thank you for being the best dad that anyone could ever ask for. Thank you for the efforts, the gifts, the things that you've given us. Thank you for having the time for us. And thank you for working hard just to give us the life that we want. Happy Father's Day, Dad. We love you.
Happy Father's Day. Thank you for being the best dad. We love you and we miss you. Bye-bye.
Hello, Happy Father's Day, Daddy. Salamat sa palaging pag-alaga ko sa pagtama sa mga mali kong ginagawa. Sorry din kung palagi ako kulit tsaka hindi nakikinig. Love you. Happy Father's Day.
Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Ang po sa ating pagkakaan dito. Gusto ko na po magiging sila ng Happy Father's Day. Pero po, may isa po ang isang tatay na magiging ng Happy Father's Day. At nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat ng sakripisyo, hirap na ginawa niya para po sa amin. Lagi Edwin, Happy Father's Day, and I love you. Sana po patuloy ka mag-iway para sa palagi ka po mag-iway. Happy Father's Day to you.
And Daddy, thank you. Pagkilang ko, lahat na gusto mo, hinatid doon tayo lilipat ni Mama, Mami, Tita Rhea. Thank you, love you.
Happy Father's Day po. Iingat kayo niyo palagi sa mga nila ate. Kaya salamat po palagi sa pagpapabait sa amin dito. I love you.
Happy Father's Day. Love you.
na binibigay mo sa amin ni Mami. Mag-iingat ka palagi dyan. I love you. Ma.
Daddy, happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day.
Thank you, I love you.
Thank you, I love you.
Salamat.